Dear children, today's topic is Chapter 7, Sum number 14. Simon Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of 10 each at par payable on application rupees 1 per share, on allotment 5 per share, on first call rupees 2 per share, and on second final call rupees 2 per share. So the company issued how many shares? 50,000 shares. The issue was fully subscribed. The issue was fully subscribed means issued 50,000 shares fully subscribed by the public. That means fully purchased by the public. There is no oversubscription and no under subscription, and all the amounts were duly received. All the amounts means what? Application money, allotment money, then first call money were received. Everything were received, but exception of 2000 shares held by Chelian failed to pay the second and final call. So in this case, all the in this 50,000 shares, 2000 shares held by the Chelian alone failed to pay the second and final call. But others, in this 50,000, 2,000 shares Chelian failed to pay the second and final call. Remaining 48,000 shares were paid by the public. His shares were forfeited. His shares means what? That these 2,000 shares were forfeited and reissued to Elango. So these 2,000 shares of Chelian forfeited by the company and reissued to Elango at rupees 8 share. Actually, the share value of the value of the share is 10, but it issued at what? It rupees 8 per share, because it is a second hand share only, because first it is in the hands of Chelian, now it is in the hands of Elango. So it is a second entry only, consider as. So we cannot sell the shares at rupees 10, we must sell the shares at rupees 8 only. Journalize the above transactions. So we have to write the journal entry for the above transactions. So see, issued how many shares? 50,000 shares. Subscribed how many shares? 50,000 shares also. Call in arrear how much? 2,000 shareholders. 2,000 shares held by Chelian failed to pay the second and final call only. He failed to pay the second and final call da fail பண்ணிட்டாரு. But மொத்தம் application he paid, allotment money also Chelian paid, then first call money also Chelian paid, but he failed to pay the Chelian failed to pay the second call money. Yes, okay, so this call in arrear comes in the second call only, not in the application allotment and first call. So the second call in arrear comes in the second call only, not in the application allotment and first call. Okay, yes. Then next, now we are write the journal entry for application allotment. Okay, then application money received means how much application money received? 50,000 into 1 is equal to 50,000. So this is the cash transaction. For application, first we have to write the cash transaction, next we have to write the transfer entry. So cash entry means what? A journal entry: bank account debtor to share application account. Bank account debtor to share application account, 50,000. The next, it must be transferred to the share application must be transferred to the capital of the company. Share application must be transferred to the capital of the company. This 50,000 also transferred, same transfer. 50,000 into 1 is equal to 50,000. So this is transferred to whom? Where? Share application account debtor to share capital account. How much? 50,000. Okay. Then next we have to move to the share allotment. Share allotment what? 50,000 shares at rupees 5 means totally 2,50,000 rupees. This 2,50,000 must be received by the company from the public. The later only whether we can receive or not we can see later. பொதுமக்கள்கிட்ட இருந்து 2,50,000 they have to receive as an allotment money from the public. Company receive பண்ணணும், பப்ளிக்ட்ட இருந்து 2,50,000 money receive பண்ணணும். ஆனால் மணி பே பண்ணாங்களா இல்லையாங்கிறது செகண்ட் என்ட்ரியாக வரும். ஸோ இந்த அப்ளிகேஷனில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஷ் என்ட்ரி வில் கம். இந்த அப்ளிகேஷனில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஷ் என்ட்ரி வில் கம், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்லி ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் என்ட்ரி. பட் இந்த அலாட்மெண்ட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் என்ட்ரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்லி வாட் என்ட்ரி? கேஷ் என்ட்ரி வில் கம். ஸோ ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் என்ட்ரி மீன்ஸ் 2,50,000. 50,000 into 5 is equal to 2,50,000. What is the journal entry for transfer allotment transfer entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Then it must be transferred to the next we have to write the cash entry. Cash entry means what? 50,000 into what? 5,000 is equal, 50,000 into 5 is equal to 2,50,000. Because allotment money also he Chelian paid. Chelian including all the persons paid the allotment also. Next we have to see the first call. First call means first call 50,000 into 2. Sir, first call amount 2 rupees. So 50,000 sharesக்கு shareholders 2 rupees pay பண்ணாங்கன்னா totally 1 lakh rupees. அப்போ here first call also we have to write the transfer entry. Next only we have to write the cash entry. Transfer entry means what? Share first call account debtor to share capital account. Share first call account debtor to share capital account. Then next we have to write the cash entry. Cash entry means what? Cash account debtor to share first call account. Cash account debtor to share first call account. Cash account debtor to share first call account. Okay. Then next one. Next we have to write, see, in the second and final, we have to write the journal entry for second and final call. In the second and final call only, the Chelian failed to pay the second and final call. So call in arrear will comes in the second hand only. So call in arrear will comes in the second hand only. Comes in the second hand only. Totally how much we have to pay? 50,000 into 2. 50,000 into 2 is equal to 1 lakh must be received by 1 lakh must be received in the second and final call. 1 lakh must be received from the through second and final call. Final call. But in this 1 lakh, 2,000 shareholders, Chelian 2,000 shares failed to pay the amount. So, அப்போ 50,000ல 2,000 என்ன பண்ண வராது அப்படின்னா, அப்போ remaining how many shares they received by the company? 48,000 shares received by the company. அப்போ actually how many shares the amount has to be received from how many shares? 50,000 shares receive பண்ணணும். பட் ஆனால் இங்கே வந்து 48,000 shares குரிய second and final call money தான் வரும். Because ஏன் அப்படின்னா இந்த 2,000 shares வச்சிருக்க Chelian வந்து failed to pay the second call money கட்டலை. ஸோ அதனால் 50,000 into 2 is equal to 1 lakh வர வேண்டிய இடத்துல நமக்கு எவ்வளோ தான் வருதுன்னா 96,000 only will come. Okay, are you clear that? So actually how much amount? 50,000 sharesல என்ன வராது? 50,000 sharesல 50,000 shares வரணும். அதில் எவ்வளோ வரல? 2,000 வரல. ஸோ மைனஸ் remaining 48,000. அப்போ 50,000 into 2 is equal to 1 lakh. This 1 lakh we have to write in the transfer entry and 96,000 only write in the cash entry because